Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a giant Rice Krispie pumpkin. So if you guys have been subscribed for about like 6 months, you may have seen my giant Rice Krispie watermelon and giant Rice Krispie, hamburger. One of you guys, if you haven't seen those videos, they'll be linked in the cards in the corner right here. But actually one of you guys requested that I do a giant Rice Krispie pumpkin, and actually I'd already scheduled it, so I think it's so cool that like one of you guys requested something that like I was going to make anyways, which makes me feel like in touch with you. Anyways, yeah, the reason why this particular recipe is so cool is that like you can carve it to look like a jack-o'-lantern because it has a brown interior, so it does look like an actual carved pumpkin. You can carve like whichever way you like. So if you have kids, you want to do a cool little project, you could like make the pumpkin and then have them like carve it or like carve it with them and like magically turn it into a jack-o'-lantern because of the contrasting colors. So yeah, let's get started. So first we're going to make the brown center. What you want to do in a microwave safe bowl is microwave some margarine or butter for about 30 to 60 seconds or until it's melted. Add the marshmallows, chocolate chips, and some vanilla extract. Mix to combine, then microwave for 1 to 1.5 minutes, stirring halfway through the time. Then add the Rice Krispies and stir until well combined. And so you might need to break this into 2 bowls if you don't have a bowl that's big enough. It'll make it so much easier, and then you can like combine it all into one piece in the end. I recommend that. It can get kind of overwhelming if you're trying to like fit it all in one bowl. Then spray your hands with cooking spray and shape the brown mixture into a ball, reserving about half a cup of Rice Krispies. And with that little half cup, you want to shape that into a stem, but don't attach to the main piece just yet. Then wrap both pieces in plastic wrap and pop them into the fridge to chill while we make the orange layer. So to make the orange layer, the same thing as before, just in a microwave safe bowl, microwave some butter until it's melted. Then add the marshmallows and vanilla extract and mix to combine. Then microwave for about 1 to 1.5 minutes, stopping halfway to stir. Dye the mixture orange with some food coloring, then add some Rice Krispies and stir until well combined. Then lay a large sheet of plastic wrap onto your work surface and spray it generously with cooking spray. Place the Rice Krispies on top and then spray that again with cooking spray and place another sheet of plastic wrap on top. And use a rolling pin to flatten the Rice Krispies to about a ½ inch thick. Then remove the top sheet of plastic wrap and then place the unwrapped brown pumpkin on top and wrap the orange part around it completely. Then place the stem on top, wrap everything in plastic wrap and pop it into the fridge overnight to chill. Then all you need to do is use a sharp knife to carve out the little eyes and mouth and whatever you want to do, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Comment down below and let me know like what you would carve into your pumpkin. I'm never that creative. I also carved actual pumpkins with my dogs, so if you want to see my dogs get all like excited about the fall. Were they excited? I don't know. The link is in the cards right here. But anyways, yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for an all new video. Bye!